Good day! In this video, we are going to learn a technique called the Egyptian way of multiplying two numbers. This technique involves halving the numbers on the left and doubling the number on the right and adding up the total at the end of it. So without further ado, let's do two examples. The first example is 18 multiplied by 12. So remember, we are going to halve the number on the left and double the number on the right. So what we do, when we halve 18, we're going to get 9. And we halve again, it's going to be 4 remainder 1. So we're just going to put the 4 and ignore the remainder. Half of 4 is going to be 2. Half of 2 is going to be 1. You stop when you reach 1. Okay? So now we are going to double the number on the right hand side. Double 12 is going to be 24. Double 24 is going to be 48. Double 48 is going to be 96. And then double 96 is going to be 192. So now we have an interesting situation now. What we're going to do now is taking out all the line or the rows and the rows that has the even, that start with an even number. So 18 and 12 is even. So 18 is an even, so we're going to cross it out. Okay. 4 is also even, so we're going to cross it out. 2 is also even, we're going to cross the 2 and 96. And now 9 and 1 left. So what we're going to do, we are going to ignore the numbers on the left. We are only going to add the numbers on the right. So if you add 24 plus 192, I'm going to draw a line here, okay? You just add these two numbers, 24 plus 92, and the answer is going to be 216. So check with me, 18 times 12, is it 216? I believe it's right. Okay, now we do a slightly more difficult example. It's going to be 23 multiplied by 13. As I said before, we are going to halve the number on the left and double the number on the right. So let's start, okay? 23, when you halve it, the first number is going to be 11, remainder 1, so leave it at 11. 11 divided by 2 or halve it is going to be 5, remainder 1. 5, halve it is going to be 2, remainder 1. And then 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. So we have half the number on the left hand side, and we are going to double the number on the right hand side. So 13 double is going to be 26. 26 double is going to be 52. 52 double is going to be 104. And then 104 double is going to be 208. Okay, now we are going to cross out all those numbers that have even number. So the only even number, 23 is not even, 11 is not even, 5 is not even, 2 is the even. So we're going to cross out 2 and 104. And the next step, we're going to add the numbers on the right hand side. So 13 plus 26 plus 52 plus 208. And if I'm right, it's going to be 299. So 13 times 23 or 23 times 13 is equal to 299. This is an interesting method. It's another way of looking at how to multiply two-digit number. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, everyone, and have a good day.